Write an equation for the problem on number 1. So what do our equations for lines usually look like? This is yellow, this is mustard, we'll call it. Mustard's good. It's tart. And you mix the mustard with relish when you have tart and sweet. Okay, anyways, so y equals mx plus b, and what's the m tell us? Slope, and the b tells us y-intercept. X and y stay x and y because there's like an infinite number of things x and y can be, all those solutions, but the slope and the y-intercept, there's only one number. So looking at the picture on number 1, oh gosh, I might need graph paper. We need to identify, to find the slope, we need to identify a couple points that are on the line.
That's so funny, I'm sorry.
Darn it. Get over there. So if you look at the graph, there's a point at 0, 2, right? And where's another point? At 3, 1?
Yeah.
So to find the slope, we need to figure out the rise and the run. Any 2 points will work. They'll give you the same answer. So what's the rise between these 2 points?
-1.
-1. Okay, and then what's the run? 3. So the slope is rise over 1, -1/3. So y equals -1/3 x. Then what comes next? The y-intercept, which is 2. So just a plus 2 right there. Okay, on number 3, this one's a little trickier because they're a little harder to find, but what are some identifiable points on number 3?
That one thing.
-2, 4.
-6, 3.
Yes, -6, 3. So, what's the rise?
1.
1. What's the run?
4.
4. So, slope is rise over run, 1/4. What's the y-intercept? 4.5. Yeah, 4.5, whatever. We kind of just talked about number 4. It's like the picture of 33 from the last assignment. Okay. Number 5. This part is new, or we kind of already did 1 through 4 on the other assignment, but so it says use slope-intercept form to write the equation of the line passing through the given point with the given slope. So we know the slope is 2 on number 5. So what I know is y equals 2x plus b, but they don't tell me the y-intercept. They do tell me that 4, 1 is on the line though. So how could I find the y-intercept? Okay, 4 and 1 being a solution to this equation, being on the line, a solution to this equation, means I can plug it in and it should work. So if I plug 4 in for x and 1 in for y, I get 1 equals 2 times 4 plus b. This is enough information to help me figure out what b must be.
I get it, huh? B must be.
You're fired. What?
You're embarrassing.
Your life is embarrassing.
Do we have to show work and I'm begging you to say no?
Why are you asking?
Maybe I should show work. Maybe you should be the only one showing work. Just make her show work.
Yeah, let's show at least this part.
Yeah! Why on earth would you say that?
Okay, if you try and do it all in your head, you will miss more. That's just not a good idea. So anyway, whoops. 2 times 4 is 8. So how do I solve for b? Minus 8.
Or -7.
Okay, but -7 is not the answer. It's just part of the answer. The answer is this thing. but we just need to replace the b with -7. So the real answer is y equals 2x minus 7. I kind of like the yellow on the black.
No.
It's working. It's like a bumblebee.
It's 215.
That is a truck.
I hate British people.
Don't tell me you're attracted to an automobile now.
A Volkswagen Beetle.
Actually,
Okay, you two, we're just gonna go to 8.
Oh my god.
One.
If you want to be caught up, it's not due till Wednesday, but you know. Okay, which means we're just gonna go to 7 on the
I
other.
love British Columbia, but I hate the British. Actually, I hate watching NBC. Think about words. I love you. Actually, I'm just saying that, but like, I like so much eat it.
You'll see him in a minute.
Oh, I thought it was.
Yep. Starts at 2:30.
Oh, wait, like 2:20, 2:25, just so I can get a head
Yeah,
start.
we're kind of all leaving around then,
Do you
but
think
yeah.
our dogs will kill each other?
All right. So what did I do first? Shh. What did I do first?
You put it into a thingy.
Put it into the y equals mx plus b.
Yes.
So what goes where?
So the y goes into the n. No, 1/2 goes into the n.
No.
Just kidding. Y.
Okay. The slope m goes into
And
m.
1/2 goes into x, and then.
Okay. Yeah.
How can one person be so
I
bad?
nailed that. Oh my goodness. I actually ate.
That was mean.
Now what?
And then you multiply.
What's 1/2 times 4? 2. What's 3/2 minus 2? -1/2.
Wow, look at you go.
Somebody in another class got that too. So I was gonna shame you guys if you didn't get it. All right,
Oh.
Luckily, we are.
Shelby got it. I'm not giving you all.
Luckily, Shelby's good.
All right, so that's not the final answer. That's just part of the final answer. So the slope was 4. So y equals 4x minus 1/2.